Construction is on the rise in Kuwait, but cement production isn't keeping up. Producing more cement would increase carbon emissions, and importing it is both expensive and environmentally harmful. Cement can sometimes be partially replaced with materials such as volcanic ash, which the ancient Romans used to make concrete. At Kuwait University, chemist Bu Majdad is studying the molecular and nanoscale properties of cement to find out whether volcanic ash from Saudi Arabia is a suitable cement substitute. If so, it could be used to make durable concrete instead of being dumped in landfills. Bu Majdad prepared concrete using volcanic ash to partially replace the cement. In a series of experiments funded by the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, done in collaboration with partners at the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research, MIT, and some of the national labs in the U.S., his team measured the concrete's microstructure using techniques such as X-ray diffraction and neutron scattering. And they also tested it with a nanoindenter, which presses a very sharp needle against the concrete to measure its hardness and other mechanical properties. They found that regional volcanic ash could replace up to 20% of the cement and still produce durable concrete. Using more volcanic ash meant some of it didn't react, leading to porous, softer concrete. Bu Majdad also found that adding chemicals known as nanosilica made more durable concrete. But nanosilica are too expensive to be used in construction, though he hopes the local production could bring down the cost. Bu Majdad is hoping to launch a pilot project to try producing nanosilica in Kuwait. In the meantime, he recommends that concrete made with 20% volcanic ash be used for structures which won't experience much load, such as road dividers. By recycling waste into usable building material, Bu Majdad hopes to help set Kuwait on the path towards a sustainable future.